The Election Commission issued a show-cause notice to BJP Lok Sabha candidate and former Calcutta High Court Judge Abhijit Gangopadhyay for his improper remarks against Bengal CM Mamata Banerjee following a complaint by Trinamool Congress leaders. AAP MP Swati Maliwal reacted on social media to CCTV video from Kejriwal's residence showing her arguing with security staff, calling it an effort by the political hitman to save himself. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday said that the Congress is aiming to win 50 seats in the Lok Sabha election to save its honour. Union Home Minister Amit Shah at an election rally on Friday criticized Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi for referring to Raebareli as a family seat. The Supreme Court on May 17 adjourned former Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren's plea challenging the State High Court order refusing him bail. Here are the top political developments of the day. Ex-Kolkata's High Court judge's purported remarks stir political firestorm. A political row erupted in West Bengal after a video surfaced in which former Calcutta High Court judge and BJP candidate Abhijit Gangopadhyay purportedly asked about the amount at which the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is getting sold. The BJP claimed the video is fake and a TMC ploy to malign the party. TMC leaders condemned Gangopadhyay's remark and questioned the BJP's stance on women's rights. They lodged a complaint with the Election Commission, which issued a show-cause notice to Gangopadhyay for his improper, injudicious and undignified remark, demanding a response by May 20. AAP MP Swati Maliwal criticized a political hitman as CCTV footage from Kejriwal's residence surfaced online, showing her arguing with security staff. Maliwal claimed the video was an attempt to save the political hitman by sharing out-of-context clips. AAP posted the 52-second video titled The Truth of Swati Maliwal, where she mentions calling the police and waiting for their arrival. This incident followed Maliwal's visit to Tees Hazari Court to record her statement regarding an alleged assault by Kejriwal's aide Bibhav Kumar. The Delhi police filed an FIR based on Maliwal's complaint. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said on Friday that the Congress aims to win 50 seats in Lok Sabha elections to save its honour. Speaking at an election rally in Uttar Pradesh, Modi mocked Rahul Gandhi for not contesting from Amethi, where he lost to BJP's Smriti Irani in 2019. Modi claimed he had predicted Gandhi wouldn't dare contest from Amethi and that this has proven true. To save its honour, the Congress has now launched Mission 50, aiming to secure 50 seats nationwide by any means, Modi stated. Union Home Minister Amit Shah at an election rally on Friday criticized Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi for calling Raebareli a family seat, asserting it belongs to the people. He also attacked the Congress for declining the invitation to the Ram Mandir's Pran Pratishtha in Ayodhya, claiming they would lock the temple again if in power. Rebel Samajwadi Party MLA Manoj Pandey joined the BJP and sat beside Shah on stage. Shah echoed Pandey's statement that the Gandhi family never visited Raebareli during natural calamities or accidents. On May 17, the Supreme Court adjourned former Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren's bail plea challenging the State High Court's refusal. The plea, scheduled for May 21, will be heard by a vacation bench. Earlier on May 10, the Supreme Court dismissed Soren's plea challenging his arrest by the Enforcement Directorate (ED), directing him to seek relief from the High Court. Soren had been arrested on January 31 over alleged money laundering tied to a land scam.